enthusiasm or inspiration is that an ingredient that brings out the best in us. How does somebody go through so many difficulties still keep progressing? It is said, what is difference between those who are success and those who are failures? Those who succeeded, they failed 10 times, but they continued and succeeded into the 11th attempt. Those who are failures gave up after 5 defeats. Mr. Honda, the founder of worldwide Honda automobile empire, Mr. Honda was not born with a proverbial golden spoon in his mouth. Rather, he came from a middle-class background. He studied in engineering college, where he created a new design for piston ring and suggested it to the Toyota Corporation. They placed an order with him and extended the capital for him to set up his plant. However, when his factory was constructed, an earthquake in Japan leveled it into the ground. Mr. Honda was not discouraged. He decided to reconstruct the company, but at that time, the Second World War happened. However, by that time, America entered into the war. They bombed his factory. As they were bombing the Japan, his factory went down once again. He used that gasoline bomb thrown by USA and made a cement company. Japan lost the World War and along with all its colonies. However, the fuel was very less supplied. What about Toyota? People didn't have money to buy fuel. How could they purchase the car? He was bicycling one day when he had a brainwave. He added a motor to it. When he drove it around the neighborhood, his neighbors were fascinated and requested him to do the same for them. When he gave it to 15 to 20 people, he got to know that he had a marketable idea. But he didn't have any amount to make it, so he tried to convince the investor to him and personally handwrote the note to the 5,000 of them. But only 1,800 were responded positively and gave amount to him. Through it, he made his first bicycle called the Super Cup, with the help of which he started manufacturing. He made a Honda empire and gave employment to 10 lakh people around the world wide, and now it's gone even beyond. His key ingredient for success is the inspiration and enthusiasm, and today it is going beyond. That quality of inspiration was so vital. Philosopher Henry David says, if you invest in something, you will gain it all back. But that person who has lost his inspiration, now he is truly bankrupt. Jesus said in Holy Bible that be either hot or cold. If you are a lukewarm, I will spit you out. Maharshi Patanjali said that there are 3 kinds of people in the world. The first one, I will try. It's okay if it is done or not done. The Madhya, second people, they said, do it properly. But there is a Vishesha, the third type of people, who say if anything is worth doing at all, it is worth doing well. Difficult task can happen by this ingredient, inspiration. Inspiration is the fuel that burns within us, that powers us to bring out the best talents and abilities. Thank you for watching the video. For more such videos, do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.